Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Guys, today I'm explain how to design a logo with Canva. So guys, now I'm open a Canva and now the last bright creativity 3D logo. Okay, I'm just adding with a black shadow color and circle round and just add text. So guys, this template graph idea, I'm just click new page. Okay, so edit new page. I'm back 2 times. Okay, and just add new page. Okay, then I'm click this template. Okay, just 2 template, 2 logo here, and just copy this template text file and paste. Okay, now I'm just hiding. Okay, I'm just typing just my channel name, Blackpink Pink. Okay, now just click other side. Okay, and color, the text color is the choose black. Okay, now Blackpink is ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. Goodbye.